Here's how to install a trailer hitch on a Toyota Prius. It's got 2 bolts on each side, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. So on the driver's side, they are located right here, holding this bracket in place, 1, 2. And on the passenger side, they're holding the muffler hanger on. This fits 2010 to 2015 regular Priuses and 2012 to 2017 Prius Vs. So the brackets come off and then the hitch goes up against the frame, and then you put the bracket on top of the hitch with new bolts and washers, which are included in this pack. They're just a little bit longer than the regular ones. All right, if you want one of these, there's a link in the description. So the hardest bolt is the front one that's holding the exhaust on. I was able to get a dog bone wrench in there and loosen it up and then take the rest of it loose with my fingers. You might also use a U-joint for that. And I was able to get a regular wrench on the back one. And on the driver's side, they're real easy to get to. The head is 17 millimeter on these bolts. On the driver's side, remove both of the bolts that hold the tow bracket in place. And then on the passenger side, remove both of the bolts that hold the muffler hanger and fold the muffler hanger down so that you got room to put the trailer hitch in. There's also a heat shield that's going to get in your way that you're going to need to bend out of the way. You can see it's going to get caught under the trailer hitch if you don't move it. Then fold that back up once you've got the hitch in place. The kit comes with 2 longer bolts and washers. Now the heads on these are 18 millimeter, so you want to check and see if you have a socket because that's a less common size. It's easier to do this with 2 people, but I don't have any friends, so you can use the box to hold one end up while you're installing the other end, and I was able to easily install it all by myself using that box as my assistant. So you can see on the driver's side there where they're bolted down, and then on the passenger side you can see where I've mangled the heat shield out of the way to make room for the trailer hitch bracket. I reached the front bolt using this U-joint, and all 4 bolts need to be torqued down to 86 foot-pounds. Then I rebent the heat shield over the exhaust into a semi-normal shape. And the installed Toyota Prius trailer hitch looks just like this, and it's perfect for carrying bikes. Link in the description if you want one of these.